we will provide an explanation of the fundamental concept of electrode polarity, which serves as the basis for battery pack production. A battery consists of two electrodes, the negative and the positive, which are connected to the negative and positive terminals, respectively. When using a battery, a potential difference arises due to a chemical reaction. As a result, electrons move from the cathode to the anode, generating a current that can supply power to an electrical device. This current can be utilized to produce energy to power LED lights or rotate motors. In the case of most lithium batteries, the cylindrical body, including the entire bottom surface, is referred to as the negative polarity or negative electrode. The upper surface, which is similar in appearance to a coin on the opposite side, is known as the positive polarity or positive electrode. This concludes our overview of battery polarity.